Hi everyone, my name's Dave from the Vilistus support team, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up an autopilot session with the Vilistus software. Autopilot is meant for reducing stress and allowing you to relax. The way it does this is by monitoring your brainwaves and automatically adjusting to balance out your brain. I'll explain more on how this works in another video. At the moment, I just want to focus on how to set it up. So, first of all, go to your Vilistus icon and open up the Vilistus window. And then we need to check if you have a good signal before we start. So go to Configuration, then Sensor Configuration, and you should get this little window. You need to make sure that you have two channels that are showing EEG. It should either be 1 and 5, 2 or 6, 3 and 7, or 4 and 8. So in select a sensor, either one of those pairs should be showing EEG, and then the rest should be not active, and then the samples per second should be 256 SBS, and the rest should be 0. Well, if it says not active and it has a number next to it, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so then once that's done, press OK, and then we're going to get up a little table to have a look at the signal. So go to Instruments, Time Series, and you'll get this thing where you have to select a sensor. So select Sensor 2 EEG, and then raw data from EEG sensor. Then press Continue. And you should get this graph that comes up, and then do the same thing again but for the other EEG sensor, and then we can test the signal. So now press record, and you'll get a little box saying test user, or whatever name that you've put in there. You can just press, if you want to add your name, click on add, and then you can type in your name, and then you can click on that one. But for now, we're just going to use test user. So click record and test user, and then select, and then you'll see that this line is happening. Like the jagged lines means it's good signal. That straight line there means that there was a bad patch, but the rest of it that's going along in the middle here should be what you're aiming for. Okay, right. So once you've done that, press stop. You don't need to save the session, it was just a test. Press exit, and then go to Instruments and start Autopilot. So first of all, you want to select your feedback track, so click on Select Feedback Track, and that's where you select the music for this session. We're using Evening Land and Open, and then just click Start Session. You'll get the little window saying test user or your name again, so select either one of those and press select, and the session will start. The graphic in the middle will show you the highlighted parts in your brain that are working, but you don't really need to worry about this. You just have to focus on keeping the music playing. The whole thing about Autopilot is that you don't have to do anything other than sit back and try and keep the music playing. Once you're finished, you can just press stop session. If you don't press stop session, it will carry on for 30 minutes. And then that's it. So if you have any questions, please post a comment below. And other than that, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and press the little bell if you want to get notifications. Alright, thanks.